What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Belsy. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I come out with my eyebrows. So you picture on my timeline. That is beginners friendly eyebrow tutorials, guys. So guys, let's get rolling. Hi guys, the first step is to brush your eyebrows using this brush spoilie. Secondly, I will use the eyeliner pencil to carve out the shape of the brows. Guys, in this video I'll be going with the high arc eyebrows. Thirdly, I will use the eye pencil, brown pencil, to fill in my brows. Guys, you can feel it lighter. As for me, I love when my brows are thick. I will make it lighter in front to make it look natural. So guys, I'll be going with this Pro Concealer to highlight my eyebrows with using this angle brush. You drag it down your eyelid. You go above it. Guys, you need to take your time. Guys, I blend the concealer down my skin, still using the angle brush. I love making sure that the edge of the eyebrows is sharp. When I'm done drawing my eyebrows, I go in with a spoolie to brush my eyebrows. I will use the angle brush in front to make it look natural. I go over it with the eyeliner pencil to make sure everything is even. Guys, always take your time to make it look beautiful. Remember guys, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So the last stage, I will use this compact powder to blend out my eyelid and the front of my forehead. guys, I love making sure that everything is equal. I go over it with a beauty blender brush to blend out the concealer. Hello guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.